Hello prijatelji, for the students among us, I'm going to make some pesto. It's going to be as simple as the real one, but it's gonna be way cheaper, so let's start.
Instead of pine nuts, we're gonna roast some almonds. So this will be our first saving. Then we're gonna use some arugula or rocket salad. Before today I didn't even know this is the actual name. But how awesome is that? Rocket salad. Joke aside, we're gonna use it because it's cheaper and adds the same color and almost the same flavor. We're also gonna cut it into smaller parts because it's easier to process it later. Like in my other pesto recipes, I'm also gonna add some garlic. By the way, check them out. I can really recommend the pesto bianco. And we're also adding some fresh lemon juice. Then we're gonna add our parmesan cheese, 2 handfuls of our roasted almonds, some salt. This is optional, but I also like to add some pepper. And then we just need to add some olive oil and blend it all with our hand blender. Keep in mind, don't blend it too long, because otherwise the olive oil will get a weird flavor. Also, use a better olive oil. You don't have to get the most expensive one, but just don't take the cheapest one, because this one has nothing to do with olive oil. Now we just have to take some noodles, add our pesto, and thoroughly combine it.
That's it. Like I said, it's super easy and simple to make and really cheap. I hope I inspired you with a nice meal you can make now. And if you like this recipe, please give it a like. And if you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button. See you next time.